Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 5/10 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 5/10 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 5 by 10. The answer we get is 0.5. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 5 as the dividend and 10 as the divisor. Since 10 doesn't fit into 5, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 5, making it 50. How many times does 10 go into 50? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 10 gives us 50. When we subtract 50 from 50, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 5/10 converted to a decimal is 0.5. It's also important to note that 5/10 can be simplified to 1/2, which also converts to 0.5 as a decimal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.